Jakarta, Indonesia. Welcome back, adventurers. Today, we're diving into the vibrant heart of Indonesia, Jakarta. Before we embark on this journey, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel stories. Let's get started. The history of Jakarta. Jakarta, a city of contrasts and diversity, has a history that is as vibrant and complex as the metropolis itself. The story begins in the early 4th century when the area was known as Sunda Kelapa, a bustling port under the Kingdom of Sunda. This strategic location made it a crucial hub for the spice trade, attracting merchants from China, India, and Arabia. In the early 16th century, Sunda Kelapa came under the control of the Sultanate of Banten, an Islamic kingdom. However, it was in 1527 that a significant transformation occurred. Under the leadership of Fatahillah, a Javanese commander, the port was seized from the Portuguese and renamed Jayakarta, meaning victorious deed in Sanskrit. This marked the beginning of the city's rise as a regional power. The Dutch East India Company, VOC, arrived in the early 17th century, forever altering the course of Jakarta's history. In 1619, under the command of Jan Pieterszoon Cohen, the Dutch captured Jayakarta and established Batavia on its ruins. Batavia became the capital of the Dutch East Indies and a vital center for trade and administration. The city was designed to mirror Dutch cities, with canals and European-style buildings, a stark contrast to the indigenous architecture. The 18th and 19th centuries were periods of expansion and modernization. Batavia grew rapidly, attracting immigrants from across Asia. This influx of diverse cultures gave rise to a unique, multicultural society. However, the city also faced numerous challenges, including outbreaks of diseases like malaria, which were exacerbated by the swampy environment. The early 20th century brought significant changes as the nationalist movement gained momentum. After years of struggle and the impact of World War II, Indonesia declared its independence on August 17, 1945. Jakarta, shedding its colonial name of Batavia, became the capital of the new Republic of Indonesia. The city was renamed to reflect its historical roots, with Jakarta deriving from Jayakarta. In the decades following independence, Jakarta underwent rapid urbanization and development. The 1960s and 1970s saw the construction of modern infrastructure, including the iconic national monument, Monas, which symbolizes Indonesia's struggle for freedom. However, this period was also marked by political turmoil and economic challenges. Today, Jakarta stands as a testament to Indonesia's resilience and adaptability. It is a city where ancient traditions coexist with modern innovation, where skyscrapers rise above historical neighborhoods, and where the spirit of its diverse population drives its progress. From its early days as Sunda Kelapa to its transformation into a global metropolis, Jakarta's history is a captivating tale of conquest, colonization, and ultimately, independence. Jakarta, the bustling capital of Indonesia, is a city where tradition meets modernity in the most fascinating ways. As you step into this sprawling metropolis, you're greeted by a cacophony of sounds, the honking of cars, the lively chatter of street vendors, and the distant hum of construction, all blending into a symphony of urban life. The city's skyline is dotted with towering skyscrapers, a testament to its rapid development, but nestled between these giants are remnants of its rich history. One of the first places to visit is Kota Tua, Jakarta's old town. Here, the cobblestone streets and Dutch colonial buildings transport you back to the 17th century, when Jakarta was known as Batavia. The Fatahillah Square, the heart of Kota Tua, is a perfect spot to soak in the history while enjoying a leisurely coffee at one of the charming cafes. From the old to the new, Jakarta offers a plethora of experiences. A visit to the National Monument, or Monas, is a must. This towering obelisk stands proudly in Merdeka Square, symbolizing Indonesia's fight for independence. As you ascend to the observation deck, you're rewarded with panoramic views of the city, a breathtaking reminder of Jakarta's vastness and its vibrant energy. The city is also home to some stunning religious landmarks. The Istiqlal Mosque, the largest mosque in Southeast Asia, stands as a symbol of Indonesia's Muslim heritage, while just across the street, the neo-Gothic Jakarta Cathedral represents the city's Christian community. This juxtaposition is a beautiful representation of Jakarta's spirit of religious harmony. But Jakarta is not just about its urban charm. For a quick escape from the hustle and bustle, the Thousand Islands, or Kepulauan Seribu, offer a serene getaway just a short boat ride away. Here, crystal-clear waters and pristine beaches await, providing the perfect contrast to the city's fast-paced life.
Tips for travelers at Jakarta.
Jakarta, a city that never sleeps, offers a unique blend of cultural heritage, modern attractions, and culinary delights. Navigating this bustling metropolis can be a thrilling adventure if you know a few insider tips. Here's how to make your visit to Jakarta unforgettable. 1. Embrace the local transportation. Jakarta's traffic can be overwhelming, so it's essential to familiarize yourself with the local transportation options. The Transjakarta bus system is efficient and affordable, with dedicated lanes to bypass the traffic. For a more comfortable ride, try the MRT and LRT systems, which are modern and convenient. Ride-hailing apps like Gojek and Grab are also incredibly useful for getting around the city. 2. Stay in central locations. Choosing the right neighborhood can significantly enhance your Jakarta experience. Areas like Central Jakarta, with its proximity to landmarks such as the National Monument and Grand Indonesia Mall, or South Jakarta, known for its upscale restaurants and nightlife, are excellent choices. Staying centrally will save you time and energy. 3. Explore the street food. Jakarta is a paradise for food lovers, especially when it comes to street food. Don't miss out on trying local favorites like nasi goreng, fried rice, satay, grilled skewers, and gado-gado, vegetable salad with peanut sauce. Visit street food markets like Jalan Sabang and Pasar Santa for an authentic culinary experience. Remember to choose vendors with long lines, as it's a sign of good hygiene and tasty food. 4. Visit during festivals. To experience Jakarta at its most vibrant, plan your visit around local festivals. The Jakarta Fair, held annually in June, showcases the city's culture, food, and entertainment. The Eid al-Fitr celebrations are another fantastic time to visit, as the city is filled with festive activities and delicious food. However, be aware that some attractions might be closed during these times. 5. Respect local customs. While Jakarta is relatively modern, it's important to respect local customs and traditions. Dress modestly, especially when visiting religious sites such as the Istiqlal Mosque. When entering someone's home, remove your shoes and use your right hand for eating or passing items. Learning a few basic phrases in Bahasa Indonesia, like terima kasih, thank you, and tolong, please, can go a long way in showing respect. 6. Stay hydrated and weather-wise. Jakarta's tropical climate can be hot and humid, so staying hydrated is crucial. Always carry a bottle of water with you. Be prepared for sudden rain showers, especially during the rainy season from November to March, by carrying an umbrella or raincoat. 7. Discover cultural and historical sites. Take time to explore Jakarta's rich cultural and historical heritage. Visit the National Museum to learn about Indonesia's history and culture. Kota Tua, Old Town, is a must-see, with its colonial architecture and museums. Don't miss the beautiful Taman Mini Indonesia Indah, a park that showcases the diversity of Indonesian culture through traditional houses and exhibitions. 8. Shop smart. Jakarta offers a wide range of shopping experiences, from luxury malls like Plaza Indonesia to traditional markets like Tanah Abang. Bargaining is common in markets, so don't hesitate to negotiate prices. For unique souvenirs, visit the art markets in Ankol Dreamland or Pasar Seni. And that's a wrap on our top travel tips for Jakarta. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, share it with fellow travelers, and subscribe to our channel for more travel guides and adventures. See you in the next destination.